These Choc Mint biscuits are quick and easy to make and so irresistible that it will become popular in your household. To start, add 250 grams of unsalted butter to a bowl and soften. To this, add half a cup of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix this until it becomes a light pale color. Then add in 2 cups of desiccated or powdered coconut. Adding coconut to this recipe prevents the biscuit from becoming too dry. I've changed to using my hands to mix because it is much easier. Once you've mixed the coconut well, add in 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa and 1 cup of cake flour. Mix until you get a well-combined dough that sticks together and doesn't crumble. Then take an oven tray. Here I'm using 2 15cm by 20cm trays and grease them. Divide the dough mixture into 2 equal portions and then place them onto the baking trays. Flatten with a fork as shown to ensure that the biscuit mixture is evenly distributed. Bake in a preheated oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes and then remove once the edges have slightly browned. While the biscuit is still hot, grate some peppermint chocolate and drizzle over the biscuit. Any flavored peppermint chocolate will be suitable. Slice and shape while the biscuit is still hot. Once it's cold, it will be more difficult to cut and shape. Once cooled, remove from the tray and serve or store in an airtight container. So delicious and perfect for tea or just as a quick snack. You'll be lucky if they last more than a day. Please do try the recipe out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until the next vlog, happy baking!